you are here for a reason. Trust your process, even if you haven't discovered it yet. Let's get started. Happy birthday to all of you who are watching this video and need some birthday makeup inspo, or it's your birthday month. If your birthday is in February like mine, happy Aquarius season. You're gonna sit back and get ready with me for a birthday glam. I don't mind getting older. It's a new journey, new challenges. I don't see it as, ugh, I'm getting older. I see it as I'm getting wiser, stronger, and learning more of myself every single year. So look at it as a positive. I know a lot of people are like, I'm getting older. I don't want to say my age. I am turning 34, so happy 34 to me and happy Aquarius season. We also have a Dom Fam mystery box in this video, so if you want a chance to win, to see what's inside, make sure to put your IG handle in the comments, hashtag Dom Fam, so I can see that you are entering. I will contact you on Instagram. Keep a watch out. Good luck on the Dom Fam mystery box. And before we get into the video, if you're not, be sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you can be a part of the Dom Fam. And without further ado, let's get into this birthday glam. I'm gonna make my face Aquarian season. I don't know what to say. I don't have any descriptive cute words to think of right now, but we're gonna look very glam, gorgeous, sparkling, beautiful for our birthday. I'm gonna go ahead and start off with the Laura Mercier Pure Canvas Primer. And by the way, you guys, before I get started with the makeup, part of this video is sponsored by Laura Mercier, so I'm gonna be using their complexion, which I already absolutely love. I just wanted to let you guys know that. I'm gonna go ahead and take this Perfecting silicone-free primer. So we're gonna apply the primer so that our makeup lasts longer and anything that we put on top of it will apply smoothly over our skin. Also, I love when primers have skin-loving ingredients in it, and this one does. So if you use this over time, your skin will improve. It like dries really fast and it feels like it's ready for foundation. Like it's a little tacky, so it's gonna really grip to the makeup and I can feel like it's really going to last. So now that my skin is prepped, I'm gonna be using the Laura Mercier Flawless Lumière Radiance-Perfecting Foundation, and I love that this has more of a luminous finish because I want my skin to have a healthy glow. So the shade that I'm using is Macadamia. I'm gonna avoid the under eyes because I don't want it to look too cakey around there. I'm just applying it everywhere else on my face so we can get more of an even look. Just want it to look as healthy and natural. Not really natural because we're going full glam here, but I just want it to look as healthy as possible. I love that it's full to medium coverage, but we're still gonna have that radiant finish. So it looks like skin and it's not heavy at all. It's a very light foundation. All right, so now that our skin is even, it's nice and radiant, I'm going to conceal these panda eyes and also brighten my face with this one product right here from Laura Mercier. This is the Secret Camouflage Brighten and Correct Duo. I am in the shade 3N. So first I'm gonna use the correct camouflage side, and this side is going to completely knock out the darkness. It really, really works, and I like how it gets into this inner corner area, which is harder to reach with other concealers, but I really, really like how this one's just so easy. It glides on the skin really nice. Like I said earlier, I love products that have good for you skin ingredients, and this one does that. It actually helps to calm and soothe the skin. So I'm gonna go right by my nose as well to kind of correct that redness. Right in here to correct and lift. I'm also gonna go over the eyelid. There's a lot of discoloration here and I just wanna make it nice and even. I have a little bit of a bag down here, so I like to put some right in that area. And this is full coverage. It's matte and it's like, you can't even tell that it's on the skin. This concealer is like very light. It's lightweight, it's almost very undetectable, but it really, really works. It blurs and smooths the skin. I really like this concealer. Okay, so for the brightening part, I'm gonna go over the corrector, and this is really gonna eliminate any darkness at all in this area. So you have a naturally healthy looking bright under eye. And so I'm gonna put some here in this area as well. Glides on really smooth. It doesn't tug on my skin, which I really like because this area is just so sensitive and thin. You wanna have a concealer that's very gentle. Also gonna put it down my nose. We're gonna brighten this part of our face. We'll use it as like a brightener. Well, it is a brightener. We'll use it as like the areas where you would highlight. This is where I'm going to brighten. I'd rather have something more matte than reflective and shimmery on the areas I'm trying to brighten. So this is perfect. And it also just helps to soften, boost hydration so that it's a comfortable all day wear. So I'm gonna go down the center of the face with this. All right, so everything is nice and bright. Now I'm gonna set everything in place with the Laura Mercier translucent powder. So this is my favorite translucent loose setting powder. I absolutely love it. It's a matte finish, 16-hour wear. There's no flashback in this, and it gives you a really nice soft focused effect. It just blurs out all the lines and makes your skin look perfect. So I'm gonna set my under eyes and the center of my face with this. So this is a before and an after of the concealer, so you guys can see. I think that the Laura Mercier Camouflage Concealer Duo is so great because it fits into these little areas that are hard to reach, like the inner corner of the nose, and this is the area that makes your eyes look the most sunken in and deep. So I love that. It glides on so smooth. There's so many benefits in this one single product, and you can do two things in one, so I really, really like it and highly recommend it. I'm gonna do my contour off camera, so I'll be right back and we're gonna get into the eyes. All right, so I'm back. I contoured my face. So amethyst is the stone for Aquarius, and I wanna bring in those purple tones, but to lay the base down, I'm gonna go in with Transition Palette and my baby, my child. I'm gonna go in with this shade right here, Chai, which is a really nice purple red tone brown. So I'm gonna take that and sweep that through the crease. And this is gonna be our first backdrop color. And I'm also gonna put that color on the lower lash line, so it balances the look out. Chai can also be used as a blush if you guys wanted more of a deep, plummy blush. So I'm gonna go into Cinnamon, which is this matte red undertone shade right here. And I'm gonna focus this shade on the outer part right in here, like the outer third, and it's gonna be underneath Chai, so it gives the look some dimension. And it has like a gradient going. But we'll keep this shade on the very outer part of the eye. I want the lid to be very clean, so I'm gonna take Natural, pop that on the crease, on the lid. And also it helps to clean up this line here if you need help with cleaning that up. And then with Frothy, it's this nice vanilla shade. I'm just gonna take that right on the brow bone to accentuate our brow shape and pop the brow bone out a little further. And also make sure that the top part of this shadow is really soft. So now I'm gonna get into some really fun, bright, purpley, pinky shades. So we're gonna pop that in right underneath and work our way slowly into the crease, the lid. This is a little side note tip for you guys whose eyes are a little closer together. I try to pull back any color and leave it to the outer third. It's not overwhelming on your face. I'm gonna go in with a little bit of a deeper purple. This one is from ColourPop, Majestic. This guy right here. Just using it on the outer part of the lid. Ooh, this is very pigmented. Very, very pigmented. I'm gonna take our first brush that we used and just blend that out. Okay, now we're getting into the deepest purple that I see here. So it's this guy right here. And I'm gonna take that with a pencil brush and just go over my lash line area. This is the B200, the crease and flat definer brush. You can put on the liner with this side, and then you just smoke the parts out that you need to smoke out with this side. Okay, so for the inner corner, I wanna do something more shimmery, a little more glittery. Take a little bit of this and this guy. I'm just gonna mix a few things together and a little bit of this yellow. I think that'll be pretty for the inner corners, because I don't want my inner corners to look so dark, but I do want to have that tint of purple. So I'm gonna put in this pretty glitter for this inner corner, Glam. And that's actually really pretty. You get a hint of the yellow, some of the lavender, so it's still on the theme of this whole look. The Zodiac Season. That is really, really pretty, and I love this glitter mix that I created. I'm gonna go with like a purple, like a deep purple on my waterline, just because I don't want my skin to peek through. I'm gonna use blue. There's this blue shade from Milani, and it's gonna look cool underneath the lash line, so I'm gonna put that on. That is a really disturbing view, but let me do this really quick in the mirror. Okay. That looks cool, and it's not like on my eyelash line. It'll cover the skin. And then for the liner, I know I'm gonna have to kind of go over with the purple liner again because it's a shadow. I'm gonna put on some lashes. Well, where's my lash glue first of all? Oh, it's right here. And it's pink and cute. This is for the Tati Lashes lash glue. I'm gonna put that on my lash line. And it holds the lash so long. Okay, so while that dries, I'm gonna put on some mascara. There's this new one from Pat McGrath. It's called Fetish Eyes Mascara, so I'm gonna try this one out. It's a really big, full, fluffy wand. So for a birthday lash, I'm gonna go in with the Birdy Lashes in the style Dream. I thought these were really pretty and like wispy. All right, so I'm just gonna fill in this gap with some liner. This is the One Size Point Made in Busty Brown. And I'm just gonna glide that underneath so we don't have any skin showing. And then I'm gonna take some mascara and mesh the real and false lash together. Okay, so our lashes are done, and now I'm gonna go ahead and put some lip balm on, honestly, because my lips are super dry. Dose of Color just came out with a new lip balm in a squeezy tube, and I'm so excited about it and all their skincare products, but my lips are so dry right now. I just wanted to pop that on before I do my lips. But I'm gonna go ahead and put on some blush. I'm gonna be using the shade Rosé from Laura Mercier. I'm gonna kind of use the draping method so it goes around the temple. We're gonna go back to the 80s. Ooh, this is like my favorite birthday makeup that I've ever really done. I've never really done like birthday makeup themed to my sign and like season, so I'm really loving this whole vibe. My lashes are a little long, but that's okay because they give us like a new flirty look that I'm not mad about. I'll put a little bit on my nose, and that is it for the face. I'm gonna add a tiny bit, because you know I don't like a lot of highlight, but I just want a very soft, natural glow. I'm just gonna take a little bit here because we have to glow for our birthday. And this is a very soft glow, so it's not really crazy. It's perfect for the look. And now we're gonna move on to the lips. For the lips, I'm gonna take the In a Daze lip liner. It's like a really pretty pink shade. It comes in a lip kit with a clear, glittery gloss. So in case you guys are wondering how you can get it, you'd have to get it in a kit. But it's both shades you can use like every day, so I'll have it linked below. I love this shade of pink. And then for our lip color, I'm gonna go into the Topless Matte Liquid Lip from Laura Lee Los Angeles. And then over the top, because I want a glossy look over that, I'm gonna go in with the Too Faced Lip Injection Lip Gloss in the shade Pretty Pony. Oh, it smells so good. This takes me back to when I first used to use lip injection in high school, like the Too Faced lip injection gloss. This is a pretty glittery pink gloss, so I thought it would be perfect for a birthday look. And I'm just gonna put it on the center, so we're not all glossy. I just want this center area to look more pouty than the rest of the lip. And that is our finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If it's your birthday this month, happy birthday. Own yourself, you're independent, creative, and amazing. So I hope you guys have an amazing birthday month. And if it's not your birthday, this is just a really pretty pinky purple birthday look in general, no matter what month your birthday's in. So I hope you guys enjoyed it, and here are my posing shots. Wow, this is like my favorite birthday glam that I've ever done. I really like it. I think it flatters like everybody's skin tone because of the pinks and the purples are gonna really pop on anyone. So if you do this look, make sure to @ me on Instagram if you take a picture of it. I wanna see your looks and recreations. I always love seeing them. I'm always looking. If you tag me and hashtag ChristenDominique, I can check out your looks and I would love to see. So if you recreate, make sure to let me know. And that's it. I love you guys so much. Thank you for watching. If you haven't subscribed to my channel already, be sure to subscribe and be a part of the Dom fam. I give you a new video every week, maybe two, who knows. If you haven't seen this video right here, make sure to check it out before you go. I love you guys so much. Thank you for hanging out with me, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, dollies.